Hi, I am Dr. Orijit Banerjee and welcome to the channel Health for All. In today's video, I will going over 12 best foods that lower cholesterol naturally and that can you eat to support your heart to prevent diseases and make your arteries plaque free. It's well known that high levels of cholesterol increases your risk of heart attacks and strokes. That's why it's important to know how to lower your cholesterol by paying attention of the foods that you eat. It may take a few minutes to watch video from start to finish, but armed with this knowledge, you and your loved ones will reap the healthy heart benefits for years to come. Be sure to watch till number 12 because there's actually one delicious food that not too many people know about. So if you are ready, let's get into it. But before that, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss this kind of important health tips. Number 1. Walnuts. Walnuts are a tasty way to provide your body with fiber and protein. They are high in omega-3 fatty acids which can help to lower levels of triglycerides in the bloodstream. These fatty acids may also work to prevent blood clots and slow the buildup of plaque in the arteries. Number 2. Cabbage. The natural fiber found in cabbage binds together with the bile acids that reside in your digestive tract. When this happens, bile acids are more easily excreted, leading to reduced cholesterol levels. While raw cabbage also provides this benefit, it is more pronounced when the vegetable is steamed. Number 3. Beans. Eating beans may have a powerful effect on LDL levels. Studies have shown that one serving per day of any legumes is linked with reduction of bad cholesterol levels. Blueberries. These nutritious fruits are amazing for lowering cholesterol. Blueberries can help to lower the liver's production of an enzyme responsible for the production of cholesterol in the body. They also contain bioactive compounds that help to prevent heart diseases due to their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil. The monosaturated fat in olive oil has been shown to help lower levels of LDL cholesterol. Olive oil has for a long time been in a dietary staple of different countries which are known for their low rates of heart disease. Number 6. Spinach. The iron-rich superfood is more than a classic vegetable ingredient. The lutein in spinach helps to keep plaque off artery walls and promotes good eyesight into old age. Number 7. Oatmeal. Whole grains like oats may promote healthy heart. Soluble fiber which oatmeal contains is known as beta-glucagon helps to lower LDL levels. Along with this is also rich with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect. Number 8. Avocado. While avocados are known to be high in fat, they contain zero cholesterol. They do contain oleic acid which promotes optimum heart health. Avocados act to both lower LDL levels and rise the HDL levels, making them an ideal food to snack on. Number 9. Onions. The same compound, allicin, that makes you cry when you chop up onions may contribute to a decrease in heart problems. Onions also contain plant sterols which further strengthen their cholesterol fighting power. Onions can help to rise HDL which is always a plus point. Number 10. Green tea is a perfect way to relax and unwind in the evening. It's also loaded with catechins and creatine, two primary compounds that help to lower bad cholesterol levels and to enhance good cholesterol. White tea have similar health benefits as well. So next time when you are in a beverage mode, try some green tea. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a great addition to any meal. They can be blended well in many of the dishes. Plus they are high in omega-3, that is alpha-linolenic acid, and fiber. Two important things for people who want to lower their cholesterol levels naturally. You can easily add flax seeds to soup, salads and other vegetable curries. Now, number 12. Dark chocolate. Yes, cocoa is awesome for maintaining good heart health. It can help to lower bad cholesterol and rise the good cholesterol, that is HDL. Dark chocolate contains 70% cocoa, which is significantly help to improve the blood sugar and cholesterol levels. So those are the 12 natural foods that help to lower your cholesterol levels naturally. You can start taking care of your heart health by trying few slices of avocado with your next breakfast or snacking on blueberries instead of processed foods. If you enjoyed the video, like, share and subscribe and turn on notification so that you can never miss a video. And now over to you. Which cholesterol lowering food will you add to your diet? Leave a comment below. That's all for today. Take care.